What's good, everybody? And we're back. So if you guys are new here, my name is Brandon Mitch, and I'm pretty much showing you guys the unseen side of starting a clothing brand. So if you guys watched my previous video, you guys seen I picked up my denim samples. Now those samples took me about a year to produce. And it's like, they're pretty complicated, but I don't feel like anybody wants to wait a year for a sample. You know, like the season is came and went. So yeah, I don't like waiting for samples, and the only way I could speed that process up was me actually learning how to sew. So in this video, I'm going to be going to the fabric store to pick up some fabric to start teaching and learning the ins and outs of sewing. Now I have made a t-shirt, I've made a short sleeve, I made a long sleeve, but in this video I'm going to be picking up some fabric to make some sweatpants. Yeah, and I don't want to wait a month just to get a sample back of a pair of sweatpants to be like, yo, I like this fit, I don't like this fit. Because me personally, my style, how I'm doing the stuff around my brand, I'm focusing a lot on the shape and the silhouette that the pants are created. So waiting, you know, 25 days to get a sample back to be like, yo, I need to open the leg up a bit more and maybe tighten the waist in. Like, I don't want to go back and forth with that 2 months when I could learn how to do it myself and I can fix it. So yeah, in this video, we're going to be getting the fabric to learn how to sew. So I've been rambling on for a little bit, but we're going to get into the video. Then I'll check back in with you guys at the end of the video. All right, down here in the garment district, like I said, I had to get some fabric. I'm working on some pants. Well, hopefully, we'll see. I want to get some fabric for some pants, and I also want to see if I can get some stuff to make some hoodies and possibly some t-shirts. But it's a couple different things I gotta make out here. This is actually the spot that I came to get the fabric for those white t-shirts I made. So they have a lot of dead stock fabric up here. This spot is called Rag Finders. It's in downtown LA. Sometimes it takes like a cool little minute to find, I got eucalyptus. That's just fire. Sometimes it takes a minute to find, a parking spot out here. But this is definitely like a spot to come to, especially if you're trying to find like some fabric where you're not gonna see too many people with it. Because like I said, it's dead stock.
This is nice. It's super nice. The Japanese fabric's like some of the best.
Yeah.
Fabric.
I'm actually just had some salvage denim made with some Japanese denim.
Oh really?
Yeah. What was that, like 2 weeks we picked that up ago?
Yeah.
What are you making out of it? Sweatshirts, sweatpants?
Well, yeah, I was trying to, with this, I was looking to make some sweatpants or sweatpants.
Okay.
Testing the sweatsuit out. And these, I'll probably get this, like for the
Hey, where are you?
I think I'm gonna do some black of this, then I wanna do some fleece. I might try that green you had at
That mossy.
yeah, the fear of God type of color.
Do you want that in the fleece or rib?
So you could buy that out. It doesn't. No quote.
Back at the front.
I like this bar a lot. That might be too, I like it, but this canvas stall, bro. Because of the pants.
You guys go, you're all set.
Thank you. And you said there's only one roll of that rib.
There is. They don't want that. There is. I wish there was one.
And on the other colors, was there any more ribbon?
We have, Brian, is it only one of the ribbon for the...
We just got some cotton terry. we're gonna make some pants with, but there's only one roll of ribbon left, and I'm trying to decide whether or not I really want to commit to it. But if there's only one rib left, roll, then I want to do a hoodie and I come back, it's no ribbon. Yeah, that's gonna be a headache trying to figure out the color blocking for that. We got 21 yards of the fleece, no ribbing. So we're just gonna test it out because, like I said, I've been practicing sewing, and I don't want to commit to a whole bunch of material, especially when I'm just testing stuff out. But my thing is, like, if I'm gonna test stuff out, I want to test it out with the best quality stuff as possible because I'm gonna wear it. Like with the t-shirts, I got the fabric for the t-shirts from here, and again, you need a wholesale license or a seller's permit to come here, but they got stuff on the low. Like I got this, I believe was like 6 something a yard, and like I said, I had to get 20. So I mean, it works out. They had some Japanese what was that, you remember?
Denim.
Huh?
Japanese denim.
No, not the denim. It was the one joint, the black and blue canvas.
Oh, canvas. Yeah.
That shit was hard. I should have got some of that, but you know, baby steps. All right, so like I said, this is my journey becoming a designer. And like I said, you gotta figure this shit out by yourself sometimes, and that's what I'm doing. Just left Rag Finders, got some fabric. Gonna take it home, gonna work on the sewing machine, see if it's something I like. The thing that I like about this spot is there's a lot of dead stock stuff here, and sometimes you can find fabric from like big brands that they use that they just didn't have enough for production. So this green I actually got, she told me was actually from Fear of God, so that's why that color and that wash, it looks really good because it's already been dyed and stuff. So I'm gonna try to make some sweatpants. I don't have the ribbing, so I can't really make like a hoodie because I need the ribbing for the bottom, which sucks. But I'm gonna test it out, make some sweatpants, and you know, we'll see what comes from it. Right now, we're gonna head back because I'm definitely sure we're probably gonna hit traffic. Yeah, too. We definitely gonna hit some traffic. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the IE. My little brother where you gotta go?
Gotta go pit stop.
The pit stop, check some car parts and shit out real quick.
Yeah, little car part, you know, something like.
Yeah, head to the house. But yeah, I mean, this is a journey, bro. I'll take it from you. This is a journey, my boy, though. This is what it's like. So, I mean, there's a lot of trial and error. You know, fucking up here, fucking up there, even wasting money at times. Just trying to learn and figure shit out, but it's part of the process, my boy. It's really part of the process of all of it. So, I mean, I'm grateful even just to have some of these leads that I do have. Shout out to the homie Hector who put me on this spot, Rag Finders, and I feel like I will come here for a lot of pieces because, like I said, I'm not really trying to do too big of like collections. I want to do like very limited pieces. So coming to this dead stock spot, I can find like a lot. I actually went down on like some levels. They had like a basement level. She said there's how many floors?
Yeah, there's like 3 floors in a
3?
basement or something.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah.
That was my first time ever hitting the basement.
So dang.
Hella fleece, hella shit in there. So I mean, I just love coming, like I just enjoy going through the fabrics, feeling them, being like, you know, trying to envision how I see it. I really wish I could have got that fucking canvas, that Japanese canvas. That shit was so nice. But yeah, I don't know if my skills are up to a point to where I can make like some pants like that with the canvas. I'm thinking like the waistband and all that stuff, like that was really thick canvas. But I got the swatches too. I got the samples this time too. So I can always refer back to some stuff, come back and ask if they have it. Hopefully they will. All right, so we have the fabric in hand and I'm gonna learn how to sew. Like I said, who wants to wait a month and a half to get a sample back to be like, no, this is not it. So I'm gonna test some stuff out. I'm gonna learn a lot more, and I'm just going to continue to grow on this side of sewing. Now, I'm not trying to produce all of my samples or even just the clothes for my line for that matter. I'm not trying to be like, you know, sewing orders. I'm not trying to do that. But producing my samples, that's my goal with learning how to sew. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So again, if you guys are new to the page, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and share this video with somebody that you feel like could learn something, because I am trying to grow, especially here on YouTube. But until next video. Oh, one more thing. If I didn't answer any questions, or if you guys have any questions, or maybe there's some topics you guys want me to speak on or make videos on, feel free to leave that below in the comments section below. Would appreciate that. All right, until the next video, you guys.